Now that you have chosen your character, and now that you know what you're trying to get across and what your goals of the character are, your next steps are to write down their flaws. What are the things they're not good at? So maybe they are lacking experience when it comes to a business story, or maybe they are afraid to, for example, speak in public. The character could have those flaws, and those are the flaws that the character is going to overcome when they are going through the story. So you want to think about these flaws in relations to the goals that you've set for the character and the goals that you've set for yourself. What is the message that you want to get across? Of course, it's not just about flaws, it's about strengths as well. Your character is going to grow, and that's one of their strengths. They are able to grow. But you also need to write down what character elements are important in their strengths that can help them go through the journey and at the same time build the trust with the audience that you're telling the story to. For example, in my grandmother's case, one of her strengths was that she actually was able to make an effort. She was able to spend time watching things that maybe at first she didn't like. Make a list of the strengths of your character. Again, don't make it too much, because if it's too much, people will not understand. But start with making a list. Cross out the ones that are less important, and you'll be left with 2 or 3 strengths at maximum, which you can highlight in the story. Now, I've told you to write these down. Sometimes that's not easy because you want your character to have flaws, but you just can't find it. There is a little trick that you can use to understand your character's character a little bit better. What you should do is picture your character in an elevator. And when the elevator goes up, the elevator stops. How would your character respond? Is he going to be emotional? Is he going to be calm and relaxed? What would he do? If you think about that situation, all the important character elements of the character will come up. That's a little trick to come up with the list of strengths and weaknesses of your character.